Hey everyone in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. If you guys love anything auto related, you have stumbled across the right channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hey listen, so I have been going to the auction for years and years. I love going to the auction. It's a day out of work. I get to go buy some fun stuff. I enjoy it. I get to hang out with my grandfather for the day. It's a lot of fun. Well, auctions are starting to go virtual now. There are apps for dealers only that I can go on and 24 hours a day, just buy cars with 15-minute countdowns, bid against other dealers across the country. They'll even give me shipping quotes to have cars shipped out to me. So I've been doing a lot of that lately. I bought my supercharged Corvette that way. I bought a Jeep Wrangler that I showed last week that way. Well, this one I bought like 2 weeks ago from down south, and I think it showed up to my shop this morning. I am super excited to go see it. It's right-hand drive. It's a right-hand drive car. I'm going to check it out right now. It should be at my shop. I think it was delivered last night. Let's go check it out. Dang. No luck. I'm here, but no car.
2 hours later.
Car number one has arrived. Here we go. Ooh, such an exciting day. We already lost the game of will it start? The answer is no. Battery's stone dead. Getting in the passenger side, driver's side. Question is it a twin turbo? I have no idea because I bought it sight unseen from an auction seller, so they weren't even the owner of it. It was an importer that doesn't know much about the car. 116,000 kilometers, which is like 72,000 miles. Is it a twin turbo? I will be so freaking pumped if it is, but I have no idea. When I bought that Corvette, sight unseen, I bought it through the auction online. I thought I saw a supercharger, and I guessed and gambled, and I was right. It was supercharged. This, it didn't say twin turbo, it didn't say naturally aspirated. I kind of just bought it because I wanted it, hoping it was a twin turbo. It's not. But it's still a 2+2 T-top, right-hand drive, with the tweed, with the original Fairlady Z floor mats, front, on both sides, and even the rears. Nismo shifter, Japanese navigation. We have these Mitsubishi like toll readers. I don't even know what those are. If you guys know what those are, comment down below and tell me. 116,000 kilometers, which is like 72,000 miles. These seats are absolutely perfect, and I love that it's T-tops. This is pretty funny. Watch this. Ready? Tomo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Look at those lines. Floor mats, the trunk cover, original spare in Japanese. We have the original tool kits. What is in there? All kinds of rando stuff. Found my first problem. It's a JDM license plate bracket. My license plate doesn't line up on it. What the heck is with people and these giant spoilers? Fast and Furious came out in 2001. Why are people putting spoilers this large on cars? All right, it rained out, so it washed all the salt off the road. It's time to go for a rip. Oh wait, what? Forgot about that. So first is still where it should be, just opposite hand. I like the R is like a GTR R. It's pretty neat. What's strange is I keep looking in my rear view mirror, but it's here. So I have to look the opposite direction now for my rear view mirror. And I tend to go over the double yellow on occasion. I wonder, it probably doesn't get any radio stations. I bet it's on a different band. I don't even know how it works because it's in Japanese. There's no way I could even get used to drifting this thing. inside of the car. All right, get in the car.
Wait. Oh, this is the...
Navigation's completely in Japanese.
GPS を即位しました。12月6日金曜日です。
Any idea what they just said to me? I know this sounds silly, but check out this gas cap. So it has two 18-inch SSR forged wheels made in Japan, which are super nice. And then these things, which are 17s, which I actually kind of like more, but the SSRs are nicer wheels. What do? Do I get a full set of wheels, or do I go find two new SSRs so I have a full matching set? Just a heads up to the tuner community, stance is not cool. It rides like S, it looks like S, and it's hell on your tires. We got 9/32 tread depth right here, and belts showing right here. Wheel restoration for the Z32. Quick tip, when you're painting wheels, you can't always dismount your tires. So the best way to not get paint all of your tires is with either business cards or baseball cards. You stick them in the lip, makes everything nice and easy because tape never sticks. Finished product of my 92 Fairlady Z. What's really neat about it, those are glass headlights. I mean, all the ice froze and then melted, so that's why it looks like this. But glass headlights, hood is painted, aero kit front bumper. Here are the wheels, painted calipers. I am pretty pleased with those. I removed the rear spoiler. I have like a flush mount wing that has to be blended in that we'll do later. I love the interior. It is so mint. T-tops. I have the T-top bags in the back. Car is near perfect. I can't believe it. I'm so pumped, and this is going to be a keeper, I think. Unless somebody makes me an offer I can't refuse. Stock exhaust. Like, this car is all original but the wheels now. I love it.